Ciao, Team Bella, and welcome to the channel. It's me, Miranda Jo, and I'm here with another plan with me in my bullet journal. Now, last week I traveled with work, so fell off again. But guess what? It's a new day, it's a new month, and I'm ready to forge ahead. Now, if you're new to the channel, I'd like to say welcome. Come on in. How y'all doing? Again, my name is Miranda Jo, and I am Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan. And here on the Master Plan channel, we are A, all about the positive vibes. B, we're styling, profiling our planners, our lives, our homes, our bodies. And last but not least, I'm always here for a good kiki. And if you don't know what a kiki is, that's a laugh here and there. And to my A1s from day ones or my original OG Team Bella members, hey y'all, Ciao Bellas, how y'all doing? What's up? I hope all is good with you and all is good for you. So we're going to jump into this plan with me. So I'm going to decorate my monthly page, and I'm also going to do the very first full week of February, which is the 5th through the 11th. All right, let's get to it. Now, let me show you what I have in mind. Of course, I'm still using my Happy Planner A5 bullet journal. I'm going to be pulling stickers from all of the series 1, series 2, and series 3 from Mojo Jojo Plans. Now, Mojo Jojo Plans did release a new book today, which is February the 2nd, the series 4, and I ordered it and I can't wait to get it. Guys, if you are interested in ordering, make sure you use my affiliate code below. It's Miranda Jo 10 for 10% off your order. And in terms of the sticker kit that I'm using the Blooming Heart sticker kit from the Crafty Planner Queen. And of course, I printed these lovely stickers on my silhouette and I printed them out. I am loving printable stickers because you can resize them and make them do what you need them to do. So let's look at this kit really quick. Look at the dolls. So beautiful. And I'm here for it. And this is the kit. And then I'll show you where I have made some modifications. That might be a modification. I added additional hearts. This love letter scraps in red is from Let's Plan with Sarah. And I'm going to be using these as well because they match so pretty. And then definitely we're doing some Dutch doors with these 2 pages. And then this is the last page of the kit. I'm yours, no refunds. Okay, so we are going to jump right on in. And of course, this one will be sped up because of the amount of time it takes to do one of these spreads. I look forward to hearing your feedback below, and I'm so excited to be planning month 2 in my bullet journal. Let's do it, shall we? All right, so we start with the intro page for February, and I absolutely love this gorgeous doll. Like, she's so pretty. And then the second part, of course, is the actual February page. So I will have to shout out, I believe her name is Amy Plans Things, because I do watch a lot of her videos. But the ironic thing is, I recorded this video last week before I went on out of town for work. And so as I was watching videos this week, I noticed that she used the same kit. But I can tell you that our spreads are similar because we use the same kit, but not exactly alike. Definitely she's the one that I watched in terms of finding the Dutch doors. So back to this spread for the month of February. Of course, I put the tulips down and florals, and then here I'm looking for a colorful box, and I ended up going with the Mojo Jojo Plans big black box there. I feel like it complements everything perfectly, and black was the color that I used to break up a lot of the red that's in this spread. I do add some additional florals to the spread. If the video seems a little different, I am recording in another way. But here we are counting pages, and I'm jumping right in and putting down the Simply Gilded washi to start doing the Dutch door with my dolls. Now, I will tell you that if you're going to do the Dutch door with the dolls, you will have to mirror your your printable so that you have one that faces one way and the other one that mirrors it so that you can line them both up. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm putting down my washi. I'm putting down my doll. I will tell you, I have to get better with the gyro cut because your girl was not as smooth as Amy or XOXO Christina. Christina and Amy, they use this tool so quick. I struggled a little bit, but I did get it to go down. So here I am just trimming out my doll. So you'll see that I go through and I put all the Dutch doors in first, the ones that I'm going to put, and then I'll go back and decorate the page. And now here is how that completed page turned out. And now I'm turning to the back and I'm placing the mirrored doll that I also already cut out on the opposite side. So now when you flip it, boom, bam, they totally match. And I can't believe that I did it, but I absolutely love the way it came out. So I'm going to thank a couple of people. I'm going to thank Amy, I'm going to thank XOXO Christina and Cammie from Piece of the Plans because I watch all of them. And they have done a really good job with, they do really, really good with the Dutch doors. So I'm excited to be able to recreate this. All right, so now page 2 of the Dutch door, you see me here trying to decide which washi to use, and I go with the polka dot red and gold Simply Gilded washi, and I chose the book sticker to do this other Dutch door. Now, if I had to do this over again, I actually would have put the Dutch door more in the middle, but that is definitely a lesson learned for me. But I do get in and I'm able to, I needed a little bit more washi, so I do a little patch situation here to make sure that the washi comes down and it meets the actual sticker. So that is a word of advice for you guys. So it turned out super cute. All right, so I am liking how things are looking so far. And then I just jump on the back here and I do the mirrored side or the back side of that book sticker that I chose for my Dutch door. So same color washi and then the mirrored portion of the sticker that I'm pulling off right here. And I line it up and it turns out pretty good. I do take my scissors to trim that washi up and clean things up. And then finally, I think that it's missing something. So I grab my corner rounder and I round off my corners. And when I did that, oh my goodness, it gave it that finishing touch that I needed. And I think that it's really pretty with the rounded corners. Now that that's done, I go back to the very first page and I chose this striped black and white Simply Gilded washi just because I just love this washi and I think that it looks great. So this one is not a Dutch door, but I go ahead and finish it up. I put in that little backpack there, and everyone loves a good flip through because you just have to flip through to pump yourself up when you're doing this. I do realize that the journaling spreads definitely take longer than a regular spread, but I really enjoy the creative process. So here I'm coming down and I'm adding yet another Dutch door. Again, now I decided to do something I've never done. I did this Dutch door using that forever word sticker. And I didn't know if it would make sense or if I should even do it. But then I decided, you know what? Let's go ahead and do it. And I'm back to using the polka dot and red and gold washi from Simply Gilded. And I'm putting it on the page. Now, I bring in my little cutting board and I start cutting with my gyro cut. But as I told you guys, I'm just really not too good at using the gyro cut, and hopefully the more I use it, the more proficient I will become and smoother. But I will tell you that it didn't clean it up as much as I wanted, and I'm going to say that was totally on me, user error, being a novice with the tool. And I was told to get the original version and do not buy the dupe. So this is an original gyro cut, but yet I am struggling, as you can see here. And eventually, I'm just going to get the scissors and I'm going to clean it up with the scissors. But that's coming in just a moment. But I mean, I guess I have to keep on trying so that I get it down. So I'm trying. And then here's me grabbing my washi cutter to use as a straight edge and my razor to cut the remainder of that page off. And so I go ahead and do that, pull off that part, and then I'm like, okay, give me my precision scissors so we can just clean it up a little bit more. And that's what you see me doing here, as I told you earlier. And if you're going to do something as intricate as this, I mean, if you're super good with the gyro cut, you can use the gyro cut there, but I'm not that good, so let me get the scissors to clean everything up. But I like how the word looks there. Now, the question is, when I place the other side on, how did that turn out? I had a little problem here pulling that out, because you know the opposite word is going to be, it's going to be backwards. I don't know why I just didn't grab my scissors and cut that there instead of fumbling a little bit. But now we're going to jump on the back here and put the word going the opposite way. So it says forever that way, and then it's backwards. So, but I think that it's still a very interesting and different look. Okay, so now let's go back and let's start putting, decorating the actual pages for the week now that the Dutch doors are all complete. So I decided that I do want to use this cute little floral in the seam. And then I just start decorating the first two pages, which are for the days of Monday and Tuesday, using colorful boxes from Mojo Jojo Plans Series 3. And also, of course, the black boxes, the big black boxes. And then I get those Let's Plan with Sarah, and I put those, that script washi down there in quotes. I really like this red script washi because it's super unique. I haven't really seen anything like it, but it gave my spread exactly what it needed. And of course, I'm going to keep those lips consistently throughout all of the pages to tie it back to the introduction page for February, in which I put those two lip stickers. So here I am deciding what needs to happen next, and I lay out the boxes, and then I go back and actually physically put in the dates of the week, which I'd like to date my planner. So these dates are from Mojo Jojo Plans as well, and they're the dated, black dated original sticker book. So on to Wednesday and Thursday, and as you can see, it's already dated, and I put down that heart sticker next to that beautiful girl from the Dutch door, and I'm deciding here what sticker books I want to use. If I'm going to go with the script washi, or if I'm going to go jump right into using my colorful boxes. But I start with this larger script, red script washi, and it's very cute. But I definitely need to have some room to write there. So I go with that large or that big black colorful box, and I layer it right on top. Now looking at this after I am editing it, I'm wondering if I should have, cut out a little bit more so that you can't see that red script from behind that sticker. But I'll be writing in it, so I can't say that I'm 100% bothered. Now we go on to Thursday, and I begin to layer up that page. And that red box came from the rainbow colorful boxes, and that's like the full-size box. And I'm laying it down here. It went on a little crooked, and I get it straightened up. And, I'm really just trying to get all the elements on the page and ensure that, you know, it looks full. So I just start using the deco sticker that came, the deco stickers, excuse me, that came in the kit to get the page pulled together. And I'm definitely going to apologize for how my voice sounds in this video. I'm literally acclimating to the time zone change here in Vegas. It's Pacific time and I'm normally on Eastern Standard Time. So I'm doing this voiceover at 3:30 a.m. So I fell asleep and I woke up and I was like, let me go ahead and knock this out. So that's why my voice sounds the way that it does. And like I mentioned before, I'm not recording. I typically edit my videos from my laptop and I'm using my iPad. So I feel like there are more tools on the iMovie software on the laptop, but I won't complain because at least I was able to bring it and get it done. All right, so here I'm just going through and laying down the stickers I want in terms of deco from the kit on these pages for Friday, Saturday, as well as Sunday. Now going back through putting the final touches, I'm laying down red script stickers on both Friday and Saturday. And I go with this large or the double decker or the double box there in red and layer a black box from the series 3 of the Mojo Jojo Plans sticker book there. And I'm just trying to figure out exactly how I want to pull it all together. And I decided to lay these stickers just a little sideways just to give the spread just a bit of variety. And then I layer that red box there. And now I am just flipping back through the pages and seeing where I can add other things. And one of the things that is missing are quotes. So I'm pulling quotes not only from the kit, but from Amber Plans Her Day Black Quotes too. So that's what I'm doing. Going back, reviewing all days. So here on Wednesday and Thursday. Hey, more lips, and we put those on the seam. I enjoy placing those stickers on the seam. I think that, you know, you get to benefit from having the deco on both pages when you do that. So I totally enjoy that. And then I put down another quote. And then I'm just flipping through, ensuring that I do not need to add anything else, whether it is deco, you know, a quote or whatever. And then I realized, you know what? Guess what? I haven't decorated Sunday. So I come in here and I am pulling it all together and decorating Sunday. All right. So I'm so pleased with how my planner came out this week, guys. Like, I am so very pleased. Let's look at it. So here's my February page. Well, if I have my monthly, and I'm probably going to put a quote. I don't know what I'm going to write there, but in this kit, just gorgeous. You know what I like about this doll? Her face is so realistic. You can see all the highlighter on her face. Then we go over to Monday and Tuesday. And then, y'all, look at my Dutch door. I'm getting better. Wednesday and Thursday. And then here we have Friday and Saturday with the word forever. And then I have it there. So I'm kind of really loving it. I wish I could have done this one, but I didn't. But my weekly setup for my journal with the Dutch doors and this Blooming Hearts beautiful kit from Crafty Planner Queen. If you enjoyed the video, 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao.